how to be bougie on a budget. Hey besties, welcome back to my channel, Styling Curves. If you've never been here before, I do plus size beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content. So if you're into that kind of thing, I would love if you would join my YouTube family and subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss anything. As always, I always put all the links below the video as well as my measurements for a reference point. You will see me talking about the items and trying the items on. A big thank you to Shein for sending me several of the items. Other items in this haul I paid for with my own money. Item number one is this short set. I picked an iconic black and white because black and white is a really classy look. And you really can't go wrong with black and white. Now this you can either wear like I have it, where I just have the belt here and the tank tucked in, or you could actually put the belt on the outside and tie it like this around. I put it with thigh-high boots as an unexpected look, just because I like a little bougie plus sass. And then I paired it with this Versace knockoff look-alike dupe from Shein with the lion design and the matching earrings. That's one of the ways that you can really pull off a high-end look without spending the money, is to try to find items that kind of mimic or dupe expensive brands that everybody knows. And Versace, that's just one of those things where when people see it, they're like, oh yeah, they know, right? Like, it's iconic. It's kind of like Chanel and the little 5 and the pearls and things like that. And then black and white in the stripe, whether it's white with black stripes or black with white stripes, again, just really classy, iconic. This I ordered in my size, which was a 2X. Now, I'm one of those people where a lot of people love to wear it baggy like this, and I love that it's got the 3/4 sleeve. However, I'm not one of those people. I should have sized down. I like mine tighter, especially when there's no button. And because I probably will not wear it closed, and I'm probably going to wear it open all the time with whatever I'm mixing and matching it with, I would have preferred to go down one size. Then we have this lavender blazer. I love this color. Okay, and then I got these earrings too. See them with the little sparkles. But this blazer, it's really lightweight. I have it with a one-piece jumpsuit on, like a little strapless. So versatile. You could totally wear this with a skirt, a dress, a pantsuit, pretty much anything. If you wanted to change the look, you could just throw something over the top and cinch it. Got this in a 2X, and I should have got it in a 1X. It reminds me of a New York street style look. This Houndstooth. What? With these gold buttons. Isn't that cute? Okay, this fabric is super stretchy. And so are the pants. So this set comes with the pants and the jacket. And this jacket actually has where you can close it. It's got the button on the inside and the outside. So first, let me show it to you just open. So you could wear it like this. And I ordered this in a 3X, which good thing I did, because I have a big badunkadunk and some thighs, and I needed this space. It's just perfect in the 3X for me, and I'm normally the 2X. And I feel like the jacket fits perfect. The arms actually are not too long in this one, which is great. And then I ordered this little ring. So then let's button it up. It's got and it's got zipper side closure on the pants. And then let's do this. I think it looks fabulous buttoned up as well. Houndstooth always looks expensive. If you don't like wearing full houndstooth for a whole outfit, you can mix and match this. You can buy it inexpensively as the set and then just wear the pieces separate. Okay, so now I have it buttoned. And I feel like it fits really good. Like, it's just a really good cut. Tweed and society sweater prints are another thing that looks expensive. This set you could wear cash, right? Kind of like with the shorts. So it comes with the shorts and the jacket. And then I just have it cuffed. It's got the contrasting liner also. But look at the tweed and the different colors. Compare this with jeans for another casual look. slacks for business, a skirt for business. But again, it's one of those things where you can mix and match the pieces for a bunch of different looks. Now this one I ordered up, I ordered a 4X. I looked at the sizes on the website and it indicated that for my measurements, I needed a 4X. It's a good thing I did because the shorts fit and they have no stretch. This has no stretch in it. The jacket or the shorts is like taut. I mean, taut. I love the way it feels. I love the way tweed feels. It's just so fun, and I love all the colors woven in, and it just looks expensive because of the way the fabric is. Anyway, order up in your size. It has a single button that you can button on the side if you want to wear it closed. The only thing is because I'm a shrimp and I have a short torso, it looks like I'm naked, like you can almost not see the shorts. But if you're taller than me and you have a longer torso, this will probably look more balanced on you. But for me, I would have to wear the jacket open so people wouldn't think I was just wearing a jacket. I love the buttons. I think they're really nice. I like that they put the fake pocket detail without the bulk. So it looks like you've got pockets, but you don't really have any. Kind of reminds me of like Legally Blonde, that society sweater, tweedy type print that you see in a lot of really expensive designer brands. But here, again, you get the whole outfit that you can mix and match for really inexpensive. Love this. It's such a soft cotton. And it can be paired with so many things. You can probably see my lines in this. This isn't the best bodysuit to wear with it, but just soft cotton, short sleeves. If you want it tight, order true to size. I ordered a 2X. If you want it a little bit looser and you're worried about it shrinking in the wash, you might want to order up one size from your regular size. But I love that it says perfectly imperfect. And the length is pretty good too. I'm 5'4", 5'5"-ish, and it's hitting me just about below my knee, or yeah, man, I'm mid-knee. So I ordered this one in a 2X. And I feel like it's like that New York street style, but man, it is way too big on me. Again, I would order this down if I was gonna reorder it. I feel like this is just way too big on me, and because it's super long, you can wear it with a dress. However, because I'm so short, it looks a little awkward. It does fit perfect if you're the kind of person that wants to wear it closed. It's fitting me true to size there with it closed, but I gotta cuff the arms because they're a little bit too long. Would look cute with the belt too. So like if you buttoned it and then just put something here, like a contrasting belt, that would look pretty cool.
Then I got these gorgeous platform heels. Now I would recommend always keeping the dust bags and the tissue to store your shoes when you're not using them so that they hold their shape and stay clean. These are dupes to the Valentino rock stud shoes. They look a little bit different, but close enough to give that designer inspired look. They're super comfortable and stable because of the platform. Now, a lot of people who've never seen Shein heels before think they're broken. See the hook? You just simply hook that onto the strap behind where you adjust it, and that's how you hook the shoes. They aren't your normal where you put them through the hole and then loop them in. You can adjust them that way, but how you actually hook them is how I just showed you.
This jacket is also a tweed, but this one is a houndstooth tweed in brown, cream, and like a tan with the fringe contrasting cuffs, and then fringe on the other places, which I think looks really cute. And I love the fringe down here. I got this in a 2X, which I think is a perfect size. This one's pretty warm, so you will get toasty in this. Like, I'm breaking a sweat right now, so if you live somewhere cold, this is going to be a warmer piece. There are no buttons, so this is made to be worn open. Unless you want to belt it, you could just cross it over and put a belt on. Oh, and it feels so soft. No stretch though, okay? This one's going to be super taut. Besties, which one of these outfits was your favorite? I really can't decide which one was my favorite, but I'd love to know, what is your best tip for looking bougie on a budget? Drop that in the comment section because I gotta know. As always, I appreciate you, and you can always find all my looks on LTK Like to Know It if you follow me there or below the video. Sometimes if something sells out and it doesn't come back into stock on Shein, you can look at my Poshmark closet and you'll see some of my previous looks for sale there as well. Until next time, besties, I love ya. I'll see you soon. Mwah.